Hello and welcome to the latest episode of the Fintech Fix, a weekly news roundup where we cover the best stories in the fintech industry. Now, I'm struggling to think what has happened since our last episode. There might have been quite a bit. There's been... and Corona. But apart from that, it's been a great year. Oh, well, at least for some good news, we got the latest episode of the Paytech show out. Yes, in that episode, we traveled down to Mexico to find out all about the different levels of payment and financial inclusion over there, and what it means for financial services industry going forward. It was very exciting to hear all these voices from people really in the know in the industry over there and getting their input. So make sure to check it out at www.fintech.finance. Now, on to the Fintech Fix, and first up is the news that 3 cinema chains in the United States are actually filing a lawsuit against Lloyd's of London. Yes, Lloyd's of London, the UK-based insurance market, has actually not paid out for its pandemic insurance. The 3 theatre chains believe this goes against the policy that they've taken out, saying that it includes various forms of the coronavirus, including SARS. However, Lloyd's of London has stated that it doesn't specifically name COVID-19 as one of those strands, and so is not paying out. So it'll be really interesting to see where the courts land on this one. Make sure to check out another episode in the future to see where this goes. Now, secondly is the brilliant story that Revolut is going to be offering up its cryptocurrency trading platform to its regular customers. Yes, once a platform for the storied metal and premium customers, the regular customers will soon be able to trade up to 5 cryptocurrencies on the application. Obviously at a higher fee cost, yet it's still a really exciting idea because it shows that even though we're in a crisis, financial inclusion and financial services is still kicking on and really starting to actually manifest in day-to-day living. And I'm sure that's very exciting for you cryptocurrency lovers out there too. Now, third up, speaking of challenger banks, it's interesting to hear that in this level of crisis, the British Business Bank has actually given Starling Bank, the UK-based challenger bank, the ability to lend the CBILS, or the government-based Corona credit for SMEs. Yes, Starling Bank will soon be able to offer up huge levels of funding for many SMEs around the country that have been impacted by the coronavirus. This is brilliant news in terms of just helping out SMEs in the UK. And the most important part is the fact that challenger banks are now being trusted enough to be able to lend large sums of money and offer up a platform and offer up a service that previously a lot of challenger banks had struggled to attain. Obviously, Starling Bank has always had a brilliant business banking portfolio, but it's exciting to see this galvanize more.
Thanks for that, Doug, but you forgot to mention all of the fundraising that's happened in the last week. Hit it, Lewis.
It's raining money, you better find your poncho. 1.2 mil for 5pay and honcho. Boss raised the euros up to 1.3, but it was 0.37 for GODB. Jupiter attracts 2 mil into its orbit. Another half mil for Sprout, who could have called it? Double it again, that's 5 for credit. Kudos, they're only Series A. Direct hit on their 2 shots. Now it's getting too hot, looking at 7 zeros. 10 mil at a push, no sweat for these heroes. 34, I'm in awe, 86 400. Hustlers down under, got the jump like Pogo, on we go. Another 100 for Unvido. Air wallets are looking like some valuable amigos. Stripe are probably about to go and hurt your ego. 600 on the G-Thang, church in the steeple.
Now, that's all we've got time for in this episode of the Fintech Fix. Make sure to check out the rest of the series at www.fintech.finance, and I'll see you here same time next week. Thanks. See you around.